welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, this is the reading for Aquarius for the month of September 2020. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book your sessions for 15 days tarot learning workshop and 10 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you are liking my readings and if you wish to donate via PayPal and Google Pay, the links are given in the description box below. For the emergency reading, you will get the emergency reading. That means you will get the reading on the same day. For that, I charge $200 for the same. Okay, so if you want to have a reading for the same day on an emergency level, you can have it. Okay, so yes, guys, let's check it out what's going on with Aquarius. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so yes. Let's check it out what's going on. So what are you going through currently, Aquarius? This time the pattern has been changed. There are 10 questions reading, so I'm just doing it differently this time. Okay, so what are you going through currently? What are you going through currently in the month of September? What you are going through currently in the month of September? What you are going through currently in the month of September? What are you going through currently? You are going with no action. You have a stagnant energy in the month of September. You don't know where to proceed, how to proceed further. Okay, not taking any action. Okay, so if you follow the same present plan of a stagnant energy, what will be your likely outcome? If you follow the same path, what will be the likely outcome? Sorry, guys. Okay, so if you follow the same path, what will be the likely outcome? If you follow the same path, what will be? You have a very stagnant energy. I can see with the cards, because cards are not falling out. So if you follow the same stagnant energy, what will be the likely outcome? There is a reconciliation happening, coming together. A connection is coming together. A relationship, two people in separation are reconciling, or that might be a new person, and you are waiting for some sort of an opportunity to hear from some sort of an opportunity from a person, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, what do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What you need to know about your career, relationship and health? You are feeling very weak. I can tell you, you are feeling very weak. You just want to leave past behind and want to move forward in the month of September. In the month of September, there will be a stagnant energy, but you will feel like you need to move, you need to leave past behind, you need to move forward towards a new person, or else reviving a connection with the old person. Okay, so someone might come back into your life, and if there's no person in the past, then you might leave your past behind, and you will a new person might approach you in the month of September. Okay, or yeah, you in the career, relationship and in the health part is that you are feeling weak. You just want to leave everything behind, whatever is going on into your life, and you want to move forward into your life. Okay, so what do you need to do to change and to improve this situation of weakness? What you need to do to change and to improve the situation? What you need to do to change and improve the situation? Oh, for few of the Aquarius, there is a karmic cycle playing its role. It might be related to relationship or a person. Okay, so karmic cycle is not being ended. It actually ended on the 31st of July for most of the people, but for few of the people, it's still going on. Okay, so for each person it will differ from person to person. So karmic cycle is playing its role and it has not been ended yet. Okay, so karmic, you just need to have a waiting game is going on right now. You just need to keep patience because there is a solid ending which needs to take place. Okay, and once this karmic cycle comes to an end, there will be a lot of improvement when it comes to your personal life. Okay, so yes, tell me something about his or her feelings towards you. Tell me something about his or her feelings towards you. Okay, they are just not talking to you, communicating, they are just protecting their vibrations. I think you guys are not into emotional connection right now. Emotional attachment is not there, or there is less communication or no communication. So they have a very immature energy. Okay, they feel that you have a very immature energy, and they also feel that you have guarded up yourselves and you are not talking to them, you are not emotionally attached to them, you are not concerned about them. Okay, even if they try, you might be rejecting their offer, or you might not be giving a second thought. Okay, to move, and you might be moving on from them. That is their feeling towards you. Okay, Aquarius, where this relationship might be going, in the month of September. Oh, this is not good. Okay, it is leading to betrayals, dishonesty, problems in this relationship, issues going on. So ending is not here, ending is stuck right now. Okay, so yes, there is a closure needed, but closure is not happening right now. Okay, a full closure is not happening. So what should you focus on from now? 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 Guys, you need to regain your power back. You need to be into your own strength. You need to take action. You need to be very strong. Okay, you are feeling weak, that is your problem. Okay, you need to focus on your own energy. You need to be very strengthful, enthusiastic, taking action. You should be a person like, you don't give a fuck about anyone, and you are just into your own power. It should be like that. Okay, so what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? You are not fearing anything. You are just ready to walk away from a particular situation. Either emotionally withdrawn or physically withdrawn is going on right now. Okay, so your hopes and fears, sometimes you fear walking away, and sometimes you are hope that it will bring a new path. So you just want to walk away with a new direction, new beginning, new life in the month of September. That is your hope also, and that is your fear also, that what will happen if I move away from a particular situation, what will happen, what will be my next move. Okay, so that is your fear also. So what will be your likely outcome? What will be your likely outcome? What will be your likely outcome? There is an ending needs to take place. Ending, a full closure, complete closure will take place. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. Okay, so yes. And if you are having a dreams, do not having a dreams about a certain person, certain commitment, do not avoid it. There is a particular dream which is happening. Okay, so do not ignore it. Dreams have answers for your questions. Do not lose your morals for someone, and be understanding when it comes to your divine force, your spirituality, your commitment, your connections, your life, your purpose in this lifetime. Okay, because universe is guiding you. Some of you are having high intuition level. Okay, so do not avoid it. You are having a high intuition level actually. Okay, so it's a good thing actually. Trust your intuition level. If your dreams are happening, answers are in your dreams. Okay, trust your intuition level. Do not juggle between two choices, two connections, two options, two decisions. Okay, So yes, in the upcoming months, upcoming weeks, universe is trying to tell you that make a plan. A solid plan has to be made related to the stability when it comes to your materialistic world. A new opportunity when it comes to a new beginnings in the money related things will be coming. I think you will get a new project, new money related success in the upcoming months or upcoming weeks. Okay. Yes, and you have to make a plan about certain situations, certain decisions, certain life, okay, certain choices, okay, so you need to make a plan about it. So yes, your archangel for this month of September is Archangel Thuriel. His message for you is, the earth is your mother. I am one with all that is. I am connected with the sacred energy of the trees, plants, shrubs, vines, smaller vegetation. I embrace the sunshine as well as the rain. I am in balance with all my life. So some of you might need to go towards the nature. Some of you might need to spend some time towards the nature. Okay guys, so yes, a new person is happening, and for few of the people, for 1 or 10% of the people, a reconciliation or a reunion might happen, or for other of the Aquarius who are single, a new person might enter into their life, but a karmic cycle needs to take place, ending needs to take place. Okay, this is for just a few of the people who are going through some particular situation. Okay, so it might not resonate with all of you, but it will definitely resonate with few of you who are dealing with such situations. Okay, because there are 80,000 people out, 80 million people are there around the globe, okay, who are Aquarius. So it might resonate with few of you, not all of you. Okay, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so yes guys, so this is all I have for Aquarius. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for your patience, and yes, if you like, share, subscribe, and kindly could help us to cross 1000 subscribers guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much.